Which Resin 3D printer is actually good for both miniatures and large builds? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down the real strengths and weaknesses of 5 top options so you don't waste your money. Product number 1. Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. The Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K caught my eye with its massive 10-inch 16K mono LCD, one of the highest resolutions on the market. Priced at $658.73, it's definitely on the higher end. But if you want jaw-dropping detail on both tiny miniatures and larger models, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 16K resolution means you can print a 28 miniature with visible pores in the skin and individual threads on clothing, something low-arrays printers just can't match. The smart tank heating keeps resin at a perfect 30 degrees C, which drastically reduces failed prints from cold resin or layer separation. Plus, the tilt-release tech lets it hit 150 mph speeds without sacrificing detail. The AI camera monitors your print in real time, so you'll get alerts if the build plate is empty or a model starts warping. Honestly, it feels like having a co-pilot. Now, some people complained about the size at 24x17x15 inches. It's not exactly desktop-friendly. And yeah, it's pricey. But if you're printing detailed terrain, busts, or large-scale miniatures regularly, the consistency and speed justify the cost. The auto-leveling and plug-and-play setup also mean you're not stuck tweaking knobs for hours. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or content creator who prints frequently and needs reliability and top-tier detail. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only print occasionally. There are better value options. For the performance, it's solid value for money if you can afford the upfront cost. Product number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 hits a sweet spot at $240.68, affordable but still packed with tech. With a 7-inch 10K mono LCD, it offers 9024x5120 resolution, which is a huge jump from older models. Here's why this matters for you. That 10K resolution delivers 17x17 pixels, so even small fantasy miniatures come out with crisp facial features and sharp armor edges. The LIG Turbo light source ensures even curring, reducing layer lines and giving you smoother surfaces, something you'll notice when painting fine details. Plus, the 4-point leveling is beginner-friendly. Once it's set, you don't have to redo it. Now the big downside, it lacks Wi-Fi or app support. You're stuck transferring files via USB, which gets annoying fast if you're printing multiple models. And while print speeds hit 70 mph, that's slower than some competitors, not a deal breaker, but noticeable if you're used to faster machines. This is perfect for you if you're new to resin printing or on a budget, but still want high detail. Skip this one if you need wireless control or ultra-fast printing. For under $250, it's one of the best entry-level options that doesn't feel cheap. Product number 3. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra sits in the mid-range at $380.03, offering a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with 18 xy resolution, seriously sharp for the price. It weighs 19.36 pounds, so it's not light, but the build quality feels solid. What really stands out is the combination of speed, smart features, and ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. The 9K resolution captures fine details like engraved text on weapons or fabric folds on cloaks, perfect for D&D or wargaming miniatures. The tilt-release system lets it print up to 150 mph, which is blazing fast for a printer this size. The AI camera monitors your print and alerts you to issues like an empty build plate or warping, so you don't come back to a failed print after hours. Wi-Fi cluster printing is a game changer if you run multiple printers. You can manage them all from one device. Now, some users mention the learning curve with the app. It's powerful but not the most intuitive. And while auto-leveling helps, first-time users might still struggle with initial setup. Also, the build volume is decent at 6.04x 3.06x 6.49 inches, but not huge if you're printing large terrain pieces. This is perfect for you if you want smart features, fast printing, and great detail without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a massive build volume or hate dealing with software. It's excellent value for hobbyists who print often and want reliability. Product number 4, Elegoo Mars 5. The Elegoo Mars 5 is the budget-friendly sibling at $253.35, featuring a 4K mono LCD and a compact 5.65x 3.53x 5.91-inch build volume. It's lightweight at 14.52 pounds and comes in a cool green finish. Definitely one of the more affordable options from a trusted brand. Here's why this matters for you. The 4K resolution with cob light source still delivers clean, detailed prints, great for small miniatures, jewelry, or prototype parts. The one-click auto-leveling and self-check system make it super beginner-friendly. You literally unbox, press a button, and start printing. The overheat protection kicks in at 80 degrees C, so you don't have to worry about burning out the LED during long prints. Now the trade-off. The smaller build volume limits what you can print, no large terrain or multi-miniature batches. And while 4K is good, it's not as sharp as 9K or 16K, so ultra-fine details might get slightly blurred. Some users also wish it had Wi-Fi, but it's not a deal-breaker at this price. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a reliable second printer for small projects. Skip this one if you need to print large models or demand maximum detail. For under $260, it's a solid, no-frills workhorse. Product number 5, Chitu Systems Conjure Sculpt Resin. This isn't a printer, it's resin. The Chitu Systems Conjure Sculpt Resin at $45.59 for 1000 G is a high-performance material designed for ultra-detailed prints. It's gray, has higher viscosity, and is compatible with most LCD and DLP printers. Think of it as the premium paint for your 3D printer. This resin delivers extremely smooth finishes with minimal layer lines, ideal for painting. It's more durable than standard resin, so miniatures won't snap if dropped. The higher viscosity means it's a bit harder to print with. You'll need optimal settings, but the result is worth it for show-quality pieces. Now the catch, it's not beginner-friendly. You'll need to fine-tune exposure times and ensure your printer is well-maintained. And at $45 per bottle, it's pricier than generic resins, so it's not ideal for bulk printing. This is perfect for you if you're printing high-end miniatures, collectibles, or competition pieces. Skip this one if you're new to resin printing or print large volumes on a budget. For the quality, it's a worthy upgrade if detail is your priority. So which one should you pick? The Saturn 4 Ultra 16K if you want the best detail and don't mind the price. The Photon Mono 4 if you're on a budget but still want sharp prints. The Mars 5 Ultra if you want smart features and speed. The Mars 5 if you're just starting out. And the Conjure Sculpt Resin if you're chasing that flawless finish. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your needs, not just the specs.